Hello everyone, welcome to Salika Mac and welcome to our FAQs video series where I answer some of the most commonly asked questions about sewing machines. Today's topic is why isn't my sewing machine is not sewing. Okay, so there are several possible reasons that why your sewing machine is not working. So here are some common reasons and their solutions. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. So every time I will upload a video, you will get notification, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So number first is the needle is not inserted correctly. Make sure that your needle is inserted all the way up to the pin and that it is facing the right direction. Sometimes our needle is too high, so that could be a reason. Then the second is that thread is not threaded correctly. Make sure that the thread is passed through all the guides and just rethread it. The number third is the bobbin is not inserted correctly or is running out of thread. So make sure your bobbin is inserted the correct direction and that it has enough thread. The next is the presser foot. So the presser foot is not in the correct position or is not tightened properly. So make sure that the presser foot is up when threading, so that all the discs are open when you thread your needle, and also that it is properly tightened. And whenever you start stitching, make sure your needle is down so that your thread will not come out. So the next is sometime your machine is jammed. If the machine is making noise but not swing, it may be jammed. Turn off the machine, unplug and remove any threads or dirt. So cleaning is very important, especially the bobbin part. And then the next is machine is not properly lubricated. Some sewing machine require proper oiling, so you have to read your manual. So if it requires oil, you should oil it properly for smooth working. And but some plastic made machines don't require any oil, so then you just need a proper clean for that type of machines. So plastic made machine, you can clean it with the air cleaner. You can find this online. So these are the few of reason and problem that cause a sewing machine to stop working. If you are unable to fix the problem yourself, it is always best to consult your instructional manual or take the machine to the service center. And hope you like this FAQ series. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember to check my channel for more FAQs and tutorials on sewing machine. Thank you so much for watching.